Alright, this is going to be the elevator at the Baxter Lecture Hall in Pasadena, California. ERM fixtures. Let's go for 3. Watch the door close. Pretty bumpy. Here's 3. B. That's weird. Let's get a view of the fixtures. ERM fixtures, there's your inspection certificate. Now here's the cab view. Really basic cab with the gold railing right here. I like it. Alright, B. Let's get it right there. Let's watch it level. Watch the indicator change before there's money inside up there. Alright. It's a shame they put a star 1 on the indicator. Not much leveling action right there. Anyway, let's ring the bell. That sounded good. Let's do it again. Maybe they don't do it 2 times in a row. There's the elevator sign. Let's watch leave. There's the 1 sign. Here's a look down the hall. Alright, that's it.